What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change your location on Eharmony dating website, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, what do we want to do over here? So how to change location? It can help you maybe get more matches, or basically you moved and you're in another city or whatever and you want to try eHarmony. So can you change location? Of course, and it is quite simple. So first of all, these are some kind of heavier options. When you go to a website and enter your credentials, sign into your account. Then basically once sign in, click on your profile. From the profile drop-down menu, select my profile. This should take you to your profile page where you can edit most of your personal data. That includes your occupation, interest, educational details, and location. Click on the eye icon next to your name. Click on the match settings. This will open a new page where you can change your match preferences and basically including your match's religion, income level, smoking, and so on, and location. Click on distance and geography. Click on the current postal code. And on the left side of the screen, enter your new postal code in the box that pops up, and then click on continue. On the next screen, eHarmony will automatically generate the name of your city based on your postal code. For example, if you enter this number, the Las Vegas will pop up. If you want more specific location, simply enter in the box provided. At this point, you'll be requested to choose how far the app should match your matches, and basically you can select in my country. So let's do this. So go to your profile, edit profile. Then you can scroll downwards as you can see, but also as you can see New York, but you can also go to matches and go to the downward scroll, change match preferences, and basically as you can see where do you want to search, edit, basically you can choose this one or this one. You can either go downwards and choose your own region. So basically you did that really easily. So basically guys, make sure to click on save. So that would be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Goodbye guys.